Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to find big files on Android. Large files can quickly fill up your Android's phone storage and reduce the space available for apps, photos, and videos. Finding and removing these files is an effective way to free up storage and improve device performance. Follow the steps below to locate large files on your Android phone. To begin, unlock your Android phone. Then open the Files app or your device's file manager. Tap Internal Storage if the option is available. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap the Sort By. Choose the largest first. Then review the file names, sizes, and locations. Tap a file to preview it before taking any action. Decide whether the file is still needed. Now select unwanted large files. Tap Delete or Move to Trash. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Then empty the trash or recycle bin if your file manager includes one. Check your available storage to verify that space has been freed. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.